Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children, we welcome to our online learning initiative Ekalaiva. Here, last class we have discussed about circulatory system. Today we are going to see about this excretory system. Before entering our lesson, I would like to show the pictures. What is the one thing we hate seeing on the road? It's waste, correct? Just as how we throw away so much of rubbish materials or garbage every day from our homes. Our body too has a system to remove the waste. The system is called excretory system. The excretory system is a collection of organs with the main function of excretion or the process of disposing waste from the body. Moreover, the excretory system is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by the chemical processes in the body to regulate its metabolism. Next, we are going to see about the organs of excretory system. Here, a pair of ureters, a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. Children, here a pair of ureters. This is the pair of ureters, that is two ureters. This is two kidneys. That urinary bladder. This is called urinary bladder. And last one, urethra. This is called urethra. Now, let me see about the first one, kidneys. See here, the kidneys are bean-shaped organs, isn't it? It's a pair of bean-shaped organs on either side of our spine, below our ribs and behind our belly. The kidneys remove waste and control the body's fluid balance. So the blood in our body passes through them several times a day. Here the blood comes to the kidneys, waste gets removed, salt, water and minerals are adjusted. If needed, the filtered blood goes back into the body and waste gets turned into the urine. See, next we are going to see about ureters. See, these are two thin tubes that take urine from kidneys to the bladder. Ureters, each ureter is a small tube. See, this is the small tube that carries urine from the kidneys. From the kidneys, it carries the urine, and this ureters carry the urine to the bladder. This is called urinary bladder. These are two ureters. One is attached to the each kidney. Next we are going to see about that urinary bladder. See that urinary bladder is a sac, like a sac that holds the urine till we feel the need to go to the toilet, isn't it? See, the bladder is an organ. This is very, very important organ of the urinary system. This urine enters the bladder through this left ureter and the right ureter. That is, these ureters and exits via the urethra. So, the bladder is an organ of the urinary system. This urine enters the bladders through the left ureter and the right ureter and exits via the urethra. Now, next we are going to see about the urethra. See, it is the opening through which urine is passed out from the bladder out of our body. So, this is called the urethra. So, once if the urine is full inside the bladder, this is called bladder. The primary function of the urethra is to transport urine from the bladder out of the body. From the bladder to the out of the body. This is the primary function of urethra. Next, children, we are going to see about the functions of excretory system. So, what is the function of excretory system? Here, the excretory system consists of two kidneys. Here, the excretory system is consists of two kidneys. Okay. Now, and two ureters. These are the ureters. This is urinary bladder. This is called urinary bladder. And last one, this is called urethra. Okay, children. Now, let me see about the function of excretory system. See, this excretory system consists of two kidneys, ureters, the urinary bladder and the urethra. The main organs of the excretory system are the kidneys. These are two bean-shaped organs. See, you can see this two bean-shaped organs like a bean. See, like a bean-shaped organs. Okay. Now, the main organs of the excretory systems are the kidneys. The kidneys only the main organs of the excretory system. These are two bean-shaped organs located on each side of the lower abdomen. The kidneys filter the blood. They help to get rid of waste in the form of urine. From the kidneys, this urine goes into the two very thin tubes. These are the two very thin tubes. Okay. These are the two very thin tubes. These tubes are called ureters. Already have told children. These tubes are called ureters. From the ureters goes into a balloon like organ. This is called a bladder. The urinary bladder is full, then you feel like to go into the washroom. Then urine is passed out through the urethra. In this way, the excretory system removes waste from the body. Okay, children, I hope you all enjoy this class. We will see the next topic in the next session. Thank you, children.